Shopify POS, how to get paid. You've done it. You're ready to open your first brick-and-mortar store. Congratulations. Now you need to set up your payment system so you can get started with sales. Shopify Point of Sale might have you wondering how you will be paid. Here's a quick explanation of Shopify POS, how it works, and how you get paid. How does Shopify Point of Sale work? Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform which allows entrepreneurs to open and run their own online shops. Shopify offers a point-of-sale system that allows customers to pay in person. Shopify POS comes with a card reader. This can plug into your iPhone, iPad, or iPod. Shopify Point of Sale is a mobile app that allows you to ring up sales and receive payments via credit or debit cards. To talk to someone about a payments account, click on the link in the description. Shopify Point of Sale's integration with Shopify is one of its greatest assets. All sales data from your online and physical stores will be synced. This makes it much easier to keep track of revenue and inventory. Shopify POS integration means that payments can be deposited directly into your account via Shopify Point of Sale. Shopify accounts are all that you will need to accept payment in person. Now that you're familiar with Shopify POS, you're ready to set up your physical business. Shopify Point of Sale lets you accept payments and have them deposited directly to your bank account. Don't hesitate to get out there and start selling. To speak to a payments representative, please click the link.